welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, we are doing a Boohoo haul, but this one is not just a regular Boohoo haul. I'm doing a Disney related Boohoo haul today. I've actually seen my friend Emily Canham do this on her channel, and I didn't even know before then that Boohoo were having a collaboration with Disney. So when I saw her video, I kind of died. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So for those of you who didn't know, Disney's actually got a whole load of collaborations coming out this year to celebrate Mickey's 90th birthday, which is why you probably have seen a lot of different brands collaborate with Disney lately. So I am just so excited for Boohoo because it's just one of my favorite brands and I love to shop on there all the time. So I basically picked up a whole bag, and look, it's kind of matching my jumper. So if you guys like Disney and also love my hauls, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up just down below, and also don't forget to switch on the bell notifications down below to stay notified of all of my uploads. But anyways, without further ado, let's get on into the video. In case you guys are wondering, this jumper here just says Minnie on it, and this is actually from Primark. I got it yesterday and I think it's so cute. It's actually like a really long jumper dress. Okay, let's crack on into this bag. Oh, there's so much stuff. I don't know what to open first because there's literally so many things. Okay, I'm gonna go for the little crop top. So this is basically a beige crop top. Well, it's kind of more like a bandeau. It looks like this, and it's literally just got little Mickey Mouses all over it, like in a sort of pattern. I just really love this on the website, so I had to get it because I feel like it's so like understated. Like, it's not too Disney in your face, but it's got like a subtle, you know, print to it, and I feel like from afar you probably couldn't even tell that this is like Mickey's all over it. But this is honestly so cute. This was actually only £5, which I feel like for a bandeau top like this is not a lot to pay. And again, the fact that it's in collaboration with Mickey obviously is going to put a crop top or like a bandeau top a little bit higher on the price scale. But I think it's so well worth it, and it's really stretchy and comfy as well. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this probably next year in the summer. The next thing I got is this cute oversized t-shirt that's got Mickey Mouse all over it. So let's crack it open and have a little look. Ooh, this is cute. So it's just got a big M and Mickey in the center. It's just a plain white tee, and it is quite oversized. So if you are short, you could probably actually pull this off as a oversized like t-shirt dress. But yeah, I just really like this. The fabric's really soft, and for £10, you can't really go wrong. Okay, so this next item is so cute. Like, it's actually quite funny because some of their like t-shirts, the graphic ones, have like a illustration of like the Disney character, but then they have like a funny like quote. So I really love this one. So it's got Aladdin and Jasmine on it, and it says, "When Bae orders takeout." And I just can relate to this shirt so much. And also, I just want to say that this t-shirt is actually a lot different in like material than the previous one, just because this one's really stretchy and like lightweight. So this was actually £14, which again for a t-shirt dress is not bad at all. And I just love the quote. I honestly died when I saw this. Before we jump straight to the next item, I just quickly want to say, if you guys haven't seen my previous video, it's I turned into Disney princesses for a week, and honestly is one of my favorite videos I've ever filmed, but it hasn't really gone into everyone's subscription boxes. So I feel like none of you actually saw it, which makes me so sad. So if you guys haven't seen it, please click the link up there in the eye so you guys can check it out, because I honestly put so much time and effort into that video. And if you are a Disney lover, I can guarantee you will not be disappointed. But anyways, the next item is another t-shirt dress. Now this one is really cute. It's got like Mickey Mouse all over it. This is what it looks like, but it's again kind of understated. So if you don't really like to wear color and you're more of like a black and white person, then this is perfect. Literally when I was buying this, I was just envisioning myself wearing this at Disneyland Paris like next year when I go. This texture of this dress is really nice as well. It's not as stretchy as like the t-shirts, but it's still really, really soft. This was actually £18, so it's a little bit more pricey than the other t-shirt dresses, but I think it's only because of the fabric. Like, it feels a lot thicker, but I mean, it's still really, really affordable, and I love the texture of it. So this jumper is again a jumper dress, and oh my god, this is actually like really nice. Like, it's got like a fleece lining, it's got Mickey Mouse on the front. This one is quite long, which is really nice, and I definitely would pair this with like a really cool pair of heels or something to make it a little bit more dressy. But this was actually £16, which again isn't really that bad, I wouldn't say. Let me know what you guys think of the prices of all the clothing I've showed you so far, because I feel like they're pretty reasonable. So I then picked up a pair of joggers. Now these were £18, which for joggers, I don't really know if that's like standard pricing, but the reason why I really love these is the fact that they actually have pockets and the fabric is super soft. Again, they're lined with like a really nice fleecy fabric, and basically they're just really plain and simple, but they just have the word Mickey on one of the legs. I love the fact that they went for quite neutral colors, making their clothes still quite wearable, because like I said, if you don't really wear color and if you don't want to wear like full-on Disney flashing t-shirts, then this will be perfect. I mean, not that there's anything wrong with wearing full-on Disney, I mean, I do it, but if you are a little bit more on the like neutral side, then this is definitely a lot more wearable for you. Now the next thing I got is a red hoodie with Mickey Mouse on it, and this is just the cutest. You guys know I like to wear red occasionally. It's not really like my go-to color as much, but I still really appreciate it, and the fact that this is so on brand, I just needed to get this because it's so cute. And again, everything is lined with like a really nice fleecy sort of fabric, so I feel like it's gonna be perfect for, you know, October, November, December sort of months, because, you know, it's getting very cold outside right now. Then I got another hoodie. Now this one definitely is a little bit more wearable for everyone because it's black, it's just got Mickey on the front, and I'm pretty positive that this was the one that was in the male section, but you know, who cares? So I really love this because it's got little Mickey faces on the sleeve, as you can see, and it's just so cute. And then it's just got Mickey written in like a really cool handwriting sort of font. This isn't cropped, but it's like the perfect sort of length. It's not too short, it's not too long, and I just love how cozy this is. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot. So the next item is another slogan kind of t-shirt dress. It is literally from the same fabric as the black one I showed you with Aladdin, but this one is in white, and it's actually got Cinderella on it, and I love the quote for this. So are you guys ready? Wearing a new highlighter like, I honestly love this. This is literally me in a t-shirt. You guys know how I feel about Disney princesses, so I'm definitely gonna be rocking this so much in the summer. Okay, next up we have a little cord set. So these two things actually come separately. The crop top costs £8, but the cycling shorts cost £4, which I thought was really weird because usually those prices should be the other way around, but hey ho. So the crop top looks like this, and I'm kind of worried that this is gonna be too big. I mean, I got it in a size 10, so hopefully it'll fit, but it just looks a little bit big for a crop top. I don't know. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a khaki green with a Mickey on it, and then it's just got like this stretchy elastic band at the bottom, which is really cute. I don't really own many things in this color, so I thought I might as well try it. Now for the cycling shorts, you guys may know from my I turned into Kim Kardashian video for a week where I basically wore some cycling shorts and I was not sure if I liked it or not, and I still am not. I mean, I don't know if it's like growing on me or if it's just not for me exactly, but this is what they look like. They again have the cinched in sort of band, elastic band, and then they've got the little Mickey Mouse logo on the side. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this, but worst comes to worst, I can always return it. Now this next item is another item from the male section, but I actually went on the female section and they didn't have this coat or anything similar to it, so I was like, I am getting that one. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a plain denim jacket. It's got the cute little Mickey logo on the side, and also the back is just the coolest. So it's got Mickey on the back and it's got a picture of him as well, which I just love. I am so gonna wear this at Disneyland when I go next because it's just the cutest thing ever. Because this is from the Boohoo man section, I managed to get this in a size S. I'm not too sure if they'll still have it in size S, but you know, it seems like it would just be like an oversized boyfriend kind of fit on me, which I'm not too bothered about. This one I'm pretty sure was a little bit more pricey. It was £40, but you know, for a really good quality denim jacket, I can confirm that this is a really thick, good denim. I kind of would expect to pay that much, I guess. And because it is in collaboration with Disney, I feel like it's so worth it because it's not just a plain denim jacket, if that makes sense. Okay, the very last thing that I got is a set of PJs, which I just had to get. Like, I love Disney PJs. I have so many pairs, and this is another one to my collection. Oh my god, I just realized. So it says bride squad on it. So I'm pretty sure this is for like, you know, when you're a bride to be. I mean, I haven't been popped the question yet, so I'm definitely not a bride, but I still really like this. I mean, look how cute. So it's got all the different Disney princesses. It's got Jasmine, Aurora, Belle, Cinderella, Snow White, and Little Mermaid. And then the shorts are so cute. They're literally like frilly little polka dot shorts, which are so adorable. Like, I just want to wear these every day, to be fair. It's a real shame about the bride squad thing, but I'm still gonna wear it, who cares? So those are all of the things that I picked up from the Disney x Boohoo collaboration. To be honest, I love every single thing. I feel like the only thing I didn't really like as much was the crop top and the cycling shorts. I just don't think that's kind of my style, and the crop top was a little bit too big for me. Unfortunately, when I was buying it, there wasn't a size 8 in stock, so I think I'm just gonna have to return that one, but everything else is so adorable. Last time I checked, everything was selling out pretty quick, so if you guys want to check out any of the things I showed you in this video, then make sure you check the links down below in the description. I will have everything linked there. Also, if you guys haven't seen my I turned into Disney princesses for a week video, make sure you click the link in the eye and also down below, because it's honestly, like I said, my favorite video ever, and I'm so sad it didn't go into everyone's subscription boxes. So if you guys did miss out on that video, please make sure you click the bell button down below, because even though subscription boxes sometimes fail, the notification bell button never does. So if you do want to stay notified of every time I post a video, just click the bell button. But that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video on Wednesday. Bye! Mwah.